In this video, I'm going to show you how to make straight lines in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to select your brush. I'm just going to use the basic one right now. And then what you want to do is just basically try and draw out a straight line. So go as straight as possible. And at the end, you want to pause for a second, and it's going to actually make it a perfect straight line. So let me demonstrate. I'm going to click and drag. There we go. And if I pause for a second, oops, I actually misclicked. So click and drag. If I pause for a second, there we go. As you can see, it's going to turn into a straight line. And now you can just hold your left click still, and you can of course make it as big as you want, and you can then release, and there we go. So if I do this again, simply have to draw one and drag without releasing, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to turn it into a straight line. So again, you can just basically tap or click and then draw, and don't release yet, and there we go. Wait for a second, it's going to turn straight. So that's the first way to do it. However, you can also use this ruler tool down here at the bottom right. So tap on that or click on it, and as you can see, you can move this around however you want it, and then you can just go and kind of draw right next to it. And as you can see, this is going to allow you to draw a perfectly straight line as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.